My video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove the new ransomware called Bixi, B-I-X-I. This is the ransomware that targets many Windows computers all over the world today. This Bixi ransomware is able to damage the files that people store on their hard drives. My video, though, is strictly for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. Before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documentation, and other data. Regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Bixi ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So very soon users realize that Bixi extension was somehow appended to the file names and it is impossible to use the data. The ransomware then instructs the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner, and you may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button, install the application, and then start carefully researching the system. So Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate all other threats which could possibly still remain on your device. So first of all, the application will update its anti-malware database, and then after it is successfully updated, the software will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the system. So after the anti-malware database gets successfully updated, the application will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you'll see the summary of the threats which were revealed. Some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, your data would always be under the protection. And speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.